Hi, I'm Sarah Kate Holmes, the creator and CEO of Healthy Glow, and thank you for checking out my Healthy Glow for the Soul energetic frequencies. Today, I'm going to go over each of the frequencies and how to best utilize them. My release frequency is the first one I created, and that is based on my healing journey with my friend Victoria that started about 5 or 6 years ago. And we used Dr. Brad Nelson's emotion code to help release physical symptoms that I had been experiencing for decades. And this basically helped me to peel the layers of the onion of all the things that I was experiencing. And I wanted to be able to capture my healing sessions in a frequency. So with this particular frequency, it is basically like you being able to go for a walk on the beach, you spending time with your family and friends, you feeling love and compassion and forgiveness, and also it's like having a therapy session and a massage, like all those things that we need to really take care of ourselves and to release toxins and things that happen on a daily basis in our environment that we're not able to do on a physical level. So the next one that I'm going to discuss is my Let It Go frequency. Let It Go is actually something that I learned while I was working on the release frequency. I have over 125 different mantras in the release frequency, and they all have certain weight that are that the mind is telling the body to do. And when I talked about our attachment to cysts, our body's physical attachment to them and our emotional attachment to them, it actually was muscle testing that I should have a frequency all on its own. So it's all just about letting go of that emotional and physical attachment that we have to cysts anywhere in our body. My parachute frequency is a great frequency to listen to if you're experiencing extreme emotions. This is something that I developed from the release frequency as well. I pulled out some mantras from the release frequency and I magnified them by like 40, 50 times. So you're really telling your mind to tell your body to help deal with those stressful events or anything that's causing you with some sort of extreme emotion at the time. And it's basically like pulling the parachute. My Candida crush frequency is awesome. It is actually probably the most important one of all of this in my world, because the reason why I created my physical products, the energetic products, and this lifestyle is because of my decades-long battle with Candida. And this has really helped me to control my battle with Candida and find some relief. My Alexa support, my immunity frequency was inspired by COVID-19 and everything that has been happening in our community. There's been lots of fear out there about how to stay protected and how to build your immunity. So I built this frequency to help us stay in that optimal immunity zone. You can use it as a preventative measure, or if you do feel like you're run down and could be susceptible to getting sick, it's a great frequency to start adding to your routine. I developed the happy histamine frequency to help me deal with the ick, as I had been suffering from allergies forever, for decades. And I found that happy, balanced, harmonized histamine levels help me get rid of the ick. And I'm excited for you to try it. My sweet harmony frequency is a frequency to listen to when you're feeling hangry or if you're feeling a little bit out of sorts, out of balance. This helps to balance blood sugar levels. My quench frequency is really fun. It actually helps your skin to feel more hydrated and your body to feel more hydrated and more quenched. So if you feel parched, this is a great frequency to listen to. I love the glow frequency. This one is awesome. It's the beauty bonus frequency. And when you listen to it, you are all of a sudden camera ready. You've got this beautiful glow on that resonates in video and on the camera. So this one is great to do right before a big event or before you do a video for something online. It's great to do, and you only want to do this one up to 3 times a week. My awaken frequency is an energetic frequency of the physical awaken wash. And I know that sounds kind of crazy, but you're able to do lots of really cool things with energetic medicine. So I thought it would be great to create a frequency that enables the person to be able to get that little bit of a pickup during the morning or mid-morning where they can get that energy boost and still stay in line with the healthy glow lifestyle. And all energetic products and physical products resonate at that level of 450 to 550, that consciousness level of love and joy. And having a frequency of the Awaken Wash really helps people to stay in the zone after maybe eating something that took them out of the zone or witnessing something happen during the day that took them out of the zone. The Awaken can help you get back in there. My chill frequency is similar to the awaken frequency, where I use the physical product to create the energetic frequency to help people stay in the zone in the evening. So anytime that they need to get back in the zone and have a relaxing experience, you would listen to the chill frequency. My Alexa Wash My Hair frequency is an amazing one. I love, love, love this one. This I modeled after my Physical Grow product. But I also, since it's energy, I can actually make it do whatever I want, which is the really cool part. So I customized your experience that you can get while you're using the physical part of Grow. I actually took that to the next level because I can in energy and really customized it for each individual listening experience. And you also get a great result where it feels like your hair is freshly washed just by listening to this frequency. It's pretty wild. It's something that everybody should check out. It's awesome. You can listen to it like 3 times a day. I like to listen to it in the morning and the evening, and I like to listen to it after I listen to Release and then either Awaken or Chill, and then I will do the Alexa Wash My Hair. And that is actually why I created the morning run and the evening run. Those two are the runs of things that I recommend doing on a daily basis. So I actually combined the 3 frequencies together to make it an easier listening experience. So for the morning frequency, I have the Release, the Awaken, and then Alexa Wash My Hair. And the evening run frequency, I have the Release, the Chill, and then the Alexa Wash My Hair. And if you're just getting started with this program, it's really fun to just incorporate both of those, the morning one and the evening one, or choose one at a time of day that you think that you're going to utilize this more and choose that particular one. So if like you're a morning person and you like to go on a walk and get your energy going in the morning, then maybe you would do the morning run and be able to listen to the Release, Awaken, and Alexa Wash My Hair, and you'll be listening to that regularly every single morning. That would be a great way to start. But But if you're more of an evening person and you like to relax in the evening and take a bath and really use your time to relax, and that's when you would listen to your frequencies, then maybe the evening run would be the choice for you. Or you could choose both of them and have them at whatever time works best for you for that particular day.